Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem of Laplace transform, we have to show that this is the part A, which is x the function of t is multiplied with delta, the function of t is simply xt. Now we know that say ft, say the function is ft. Let's suppose we have the general function xt is simply the function of t, it would be any function, and if this is multiplied with delta t, so this means that this is the integration from 0 to t and the multiplication, so this would be f of lambda, and then this would be delta t minus lambda is d lambda. Now when we solve it, so this would be f of lambda, and we have to put the limit, so lambda is equals to 1, so putting the value, so this is f of t is multiplied with delta t is simply f of t, so hence we can replace ft with xt, so this would be xt is multiplied with delta t is again xt. So this is the solution for part A, or we can say proof for part A, and now we have to prove f of t is multiplied with ut is equals to integration from 0 to t of f of lambda d lambda. So again we can write this term, say we know this term can be written as ft multiplication with ut is written as integration from the limit 0 to t, and this would be f of lambda and u of t minus lambda, and this would be d lambda. Now we know that since u of t minus lambda is equals to, this is 1 and 0, and this is equals to 1 when lambda is less than t, and this is equals to 0 when lambda is greater than 0. So if lambda is greater than 0, this term would be equals to 0, and if this is less than 0, so this would be replaced with 1, and this is replaced with 1, that means this is simply f of t is multiplied with u of t is simply integration from the limit 0 to t, and this would be f of t multiplied with lambda is, this is f of lambda is multiplied with 1, so this is again f of lambda, and this would be d lambda. So this is the proof. So here is the answer for part A, and this is the answer for part B.